Hello, my dear subscribers and viewers. Welcome to my channel Ram's Happy Whispers. Today I'm going to talk about secret of happiness. Well, it's interesting, right? Isn't it interesting to know about the secret of happiness? Where everybody wants to know about the secret of happiness. Shortly I'm going to reveal that. Have you ever wondered what it is? So I'll tell you. Wait, hold on 1 second. So the secret is do the work you love or love the work you do. Yes, you heard me right. The secret of happiness is do the work you love or love the work you do. Well, when you first listen to this, people might think that the first one is quite easier. But hold on for a while. Do you really know what you love doing? Yes. Once again, I'm going to ask this question. Do you really know what you love doing? If yes, please do comment in the section. Well, I know most of the people have this confusion about what they love doing. People say it just in a very easiest way that love what you do or do what you love and all those things. Or else people might say, I know this, but just go ask this question to yourself one more time. You'll understand whether you know the answer or not. It's said easier than done, but of course, that's not that easy to understand. Well, we have to figure out what we actually love. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes energy. Well, are you ready to invest your energy? Are you ready to invest your time to get to know about all these things? Then it's time to figure out. Just go figure out what you love doing. When you figure out what you love doing, then you can start doing that. You start doing that. You can do that. But the second thing is, in order to love what you do, it takes a quite more time because figuring out what you love takes some time. Again, the second thing takes quite a lot more time. For the second thing, that is to know or to implement what you love or love the work you do. All you have to do is you have to get awareness of lots of things. You actually have to know why do you want what do you want, why do you do what do you do. So why you want what you want, you have to ask this question. For lots of people, they are quite not aware of all these things, which is why things comes up, and at times we don't know which way to take, which road to go along. So come on, awareness is very important. You have to get to know, that is, you have to have that knowledge. You have to have the answer to why you want what you want. So with trial and error method, eventually one day you will get to know about all those things. It's not that easier, but it's not very difficult. It's neither difficult nor impossible. It is possible, but it takes time. It takes energy. It takes effort. It takes your conscious effort. You have to write it down. You have to jot it down. You have to list out what you want. You have to think about all those things. So come on, do this. Do the work you love or love the work you do. Quite well, this is the takeaway for this video. Catch you with the next video. If at all you want to get answers for these questions, stay tuned.